James. Sena waiting for the play to develop. Abdul Sawat. Emergency pass. Michael Are from downtown. Yes, sir.
That's a great pass from Abdul Sawat. Wing.
Talk to us, Adelph, about how this Zamboanga squad has really shown their chemistry early on this season.
Oh, and this is a nice group to have because, you know, with the exception of Sena and
Egay Coach Bong has really put the ball in his hands a lot to start this season, to make those kinds of decisions. He's still scoreless in this game, by the way. Well, Michael Are knocking down another three-point shot. He was the one who started the flurry of threes for Zamboanga.
Stamina, execution, at gelling of the guys. Kwento nga niya that it still surprises him kung gaano kataas ang level of play dito sa MPBL, and he...
For my birthday last year.
Talaga?
Oo. Hindi ko ginagamit.
Sabi kay Lolo, Lolo, kilalanin mo naman ang apo mo.
Hindi, hiningi ko yun sa kanya. Kala ko magagamit ko eh. Niloko.